So I try to find it in. Try to find TV. Let's see. Maybe.
Let's try to forget, but in terms of stuff, the Nasdaq, I like to ramble, but yeah, we're really just sitting in this range. I think every dip that's getting bought here, these levels to the downside are going to be this 335 level. We call it 330, right? 330 is really what I'm looking at for any potential downside break. Nasdaq is going to be that 222 level from yesterday's low as mentioned. So that's what I'll be looking at for any sort of downside move in case bulls really just get exhausted here and we start more dips getting bought in the interim. Not to say that this is going to be a continuation by any means. I think if we do get some sort of pullback, it'll quickly reverse itself. I think we are really in a strong bullish market right now. And so I wouldn't get too comfortable in any sort of shorts that you do take. But again, this will all change in terms of any sort of news catalyst coming out, any sort of anything like that,
Or
could it potentially trigger
anywhere.
But yeah, we just have to keep our head on.
See what I'm on IQ. And then you
Wait, look at the mic. Clearly.
Just this how it looks like what happened to Vegas.
Yeah. It's
wow. LHD has a that thing's 349.
Enjoy sounding clear.
enjoy breaking up.
It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. It's why we so good movement overall yesterday. I was anticipating the same today. I know we barcoded a bit towards the show yesterday, but it wouldn't be a Trade Advice TV stream if we so and today, let's see. All I'm asking is give some good trades in the first hour, and then we've got Joe Morgan coming. Well, they'll be with us into the open. And Tank and Harold Gandalf is jumping on later. This is man, we did a jam-packed show today. Very excited. Gonna be good.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then if Mary kills it like yesterday again, that's gonna be full circle.
And you know what's the best part about any of us, especially Marion killing it, is if you look at the top of your screen, P&L of any of our trades in our Trade by Live account will be right there. So don't trust any straight that doesn't put those up.
Always. And all that money that you see there is actual live real money, not like prop money, not funded money, but actual USD.
USD.
And yes, we are shorting it for our rate, of course. But yeah, a little degen already thing.
That's hilarious. He actually made money on that yesterday. Again, not financial advice then. He was going in on because someone challenged him that he should take one mini instead of my.
Yeah. He is now taking the Marvel rate. One mini short. We are rechecking the staying open again here on NQ. That was actually where I took my first trade during the London session. This is pretty much the exact same setup. Interestingly enough. Thinking about taking this again, mostly. No, you need.
Yeah, it was going at 11 and it was going at 12.
All your gains are in your trade. Your microphone. And she fires. See what would get she keep that to our P&L at the top there.
All right, you is gonna help me out.
Sounds like it's a terrific live stage. So all for his break.
Good.
Oh God, don't bring that up.
From he was like carrier hop. Or is that?
He went to it was like T-Mobile or something.
Yeah, radio. Wrong with you?
They didn't give the name. That was like low for Progressive, for Toyota, So you gotta give him a name.
Bacon guy.
Oh, man, he's just great.
Yeah.
He's really good.
All right. There's got to be better, right?
Oh yeah, they think
Usually,
share power spoke. I wonder what that's like.
I'll call you out. Brits with good after their intent. Brady. Obviously, it doesn't matter if it's Brady. It's not working. Honestly, guys, or I said it before the show, you should always be very seen the rule that if they more than once, so I mean, it's not uncommon sometimes, especially if you're going to live for that you'll be sitting here and you want things a lot of 5 or 10 seconds. For me, that's a yellow line. That's interest me in the trade, order to make it in, or if little lips are as they case going up, prelude to the whole thing going on. Don't get caught in those situations. Thankfully, it's only going to be once. Thankfully, I was with a live brokerage firm that I can get somebody on the phone and checked. It was 1 minute 37 seconds. Closed all my trades. But there's nothing you can do about that. You're in an eval or something on the account, and there's no brokers. And also, if there's any tech issues, you're 100% confident.
In my position to close on Friday, then I tried to close it from here with a right click, and it was not letting me close it. So I had to add a chart on here, but I don't want to chart on your charts. Maybe you can get these charts and not my charts that I have marked up over here. That was very annoying. I gotta go to Pilates at 12, but I have to go for us at 11. Alright, let's see. Well, this is break and retest already, so and orb already. I mean my OB already. It's like I don't even know what's next. It did everything that I mapped out already overnight. So this was my resistance level because of this here. This because of this wick here stopped randomly right here. So price did go over a little bit, but that's probably that's not much, but it did break it a little bit. And it resisted it already. Now it hit my 1 hour OB down here. This is where it needs to. This is like this is currently resistance. Like I wanted it to be like break and retest, like break here. Like okay, it was resistance. So once it broke above, retest it and then go back up. So it did break above and retest it, but it came back a little further. And I thought it would only be maybe a wick that came through the break retest blue line, but a full candle closed it. And then but it did go back above, so now it's like I don't know. It already hit the 618, it already hit the 0.5, it's at the 382 level already, and it's 915. This is not even the thing I wanted. I thought I was using this thing here. So now I need to figure out what I want to do. Oh yeah, I have these 2 hour order blocks, just two 1 hour candles or 2 hour order block because this was very small and I feel like prices utilizing will probably utilize both of these as a 2 hour, but if you using that one as a 1 hour. I don't know. This was a break and retest right here because there was a lot of support. So I had this support. So I was gonna break and retest to go back down, which I already used it. So it broke and then used this long wick as a retest and came back down. Um, came back 300 ticks down. So I don't think it's gonna use that anymore. Honestly, I don't know. And then here I'm really just supposed to have like the 8 a.m. candle or whatever is happening right now with the 9 a.m. candle. See what price may go. So the monthly full selling points. Let's see what happens. That kind of gives me a better idea of if price gonna either break above that to continue up, or if it's going to come back down, break through these. Not a price gap there anymore. It is a price gap there. Cancel. I don't know what that was about. Well, I think I'm gonna take this off though. I mean, it did break and retest it, early support. So it should be like a rare resistance line actually at this point. Let's see. But it looks like it's going through that anyway. And should that be resistance still? Should I make this resistance? Maybe there. But that was like a lot of resistance right there before it broke above. And this came right back to it. It's kind of like, uh, this seemed like this is a better resistance to me. See what the 4 hour, but yeah, see, touch there, but it's also there, sort of where that is. Where that red is better. When I do that. Let's see what happens with that. I don't know. Maybe I should put this like, oh yeah, put that there because that's a 4 hour. Yeah, that's good there. At that 4 hour. Yeah, leave it there. Because that's probably what price is doing at that 4 hour. Alright, so I have here, this one could be like the new 1 hour order block. But it still lasts. OB. Mm-hmm. So let's make sure that's blocked off. Mm-hmm. But I gotta go back on it. And I don't have my coffee ready in this time. Usually. Mm-hmm. Okay. I gotta go get my coffee ready. Okay, so do I want my, do I want this 1 minute and this 15 seconds like that, or do I want, yeah, I think that's all. Mm. So get my coffee ready. Yeah. Who's back on our foot? Milk first.
Yeah. And right now, the rate especially, it's not like kind of like your, yeah, okay. Right, right. What?
But it did was come down and hit that. Oh shoot, I'm not even logged in here.
From the opening, hopefully everybody is ready to go. Yeah, TJ, yeah, we're getting it today. Go back and forth. Green on your screen. All right, guys. 3. See, Dan.
Okay,
Go.
let's see. Oh yeah, I want us to be 7. Let's see if it rejects from here. I think you want to go up to this. Let's see if it rejects. If it rejects, I'm gonna go ahead and take a. Oh shoot, that would have been good. Probably gonna go to this 150. Okay, so let's see. Can I get on a trade roll before it goes there? Down there? Come on,
Yeah.
come on. Now like right here at this. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we have 2 back long breaks.
Come on.
Only
Okay. Let's see. Did I pass? Yes. I do that. I passed my combine. Whatever this thing is. My graduation. I'm gonna take profit. Okay. I'm good. I don't have to trade no more. That was a good trade. And I went over. That's I believe 4 and what? 1 minute? Great. Let's see. It's gonna take 2 trades because I added contracts because I wanted to just get it over quick. Like if it started to reverse, so 364 on one, 217 on one. If it started to reverse, I didn't want to not pay enough to have to do another contract. Since it was not into trying to get another contract. It, it went about that and then rejected and came down, which was good. Um, so I did 7 contracts though because I was looking for 7 contracts for 150 because I said 7 contracts at 150 would have got me up to 26. So that's why I changed it to that. But I ended up just doing 714 contract for I really don't know. See. Let's see, what did I, oh, it's this one here. So I got in right here on one, and got in right here on one, and then one I got out here. So I said I got in there and then there, so let's see what that was. So if I got in here and got out here, that was 100 on one contract. And then I got in here and got out at the top of there.
Feel like
That was 361. So I got a little 60, but I just got it in at the different times. That's all. And this is in 1 hour order book, so this was the most recent one that I just added.
I did think that night. My my channel, right? I don't know, maybe it's that one. Actually, I am long, 2 minutes.
Okay. So when it went over that, that was perfect. I went over that 8 a.m. candle. Most of the time if it go above the 8 a.m. candle and reject, it's gonna start to come down, but it doesn't mean it's gonna come down this much because that was good. 275. I just guess that here. Oh my goodness, Drew. It went down, 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 and didn't even give any green. Excuse me. It didn't give really any green candles on the way down. I mean, yeah, green, but minor green, but it didn't give any bullish. I'll say any bullish candles if it's on the way down. It just flushed, and that's how price used to be all the time. You just get a good flush. Um, Here is a break and retest though. So I don't know how much. Yeah, and like this is how I remember price. Like I used to just get in the first couple candles, get 250 ticks every morning and get out. I used to do that every morning, but now this new prompt uh market is very hard to do that. But that was good. That just stinks. So tomorrow I'll be trading my Sunday account, my new funded account. That's when people start having that. Oh, girl, you. How about you? Yeah. Jeff. Okay, so this is bullish candle over here. So price should keep going if this is normally how price goes above that. I'm gonna log out of here so I'll make no mistakes trading on my account. That's done. Fake TV. Cause I like wearing you. You want to pay the big down here? Oh, yes, you do. I don't know if I can see that, but that's to see me trade every morning. And I watch this at night. When before I go to bed, I watch this, but I was like, maybe try to watch them during trading, but during trading it's hard for me to watch them because I'm focused on trying to find trades, and I know I don't take signals or the people's trades and stuff like that. That's people they watch. But I do like to watch their candles because their candles look different than my candles, and so And let's go and retest area.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
there's so much stuff to do today.
Still storage.
The reason my day kind of busy.
Yep. Yep. Lots.
Yeah. So, I mean, you know, this is literally every day this happens. The same exact, um, this same exact, pattern.
That
Price comes down. People don't know where it's why it's stopping, but it's stopping in the order block, which it stopped at this order block, and it stopped at the top of this one, but it stopped midline of this. But it's mid. Once you get to the midline of this one, that's when it's time to take a bullet straight. You know, I feel like it's ready to go ahead and
Yeah.
go up, but it may come back down and retest. But it's gonna have to be longer to there. I do 80 ticks anyway, so let's see. I'm in my what you call it, so
Yeah, I would like to see. I would like to see.
that's me Atlanta, the orb, my 5 minute orb release.
Like that has to be such a lot here.
Should we go hold this?
I just don't think I run best here. Right now it's MDS.
50 really is my goal every time. So let's see. You may hold and go up to 100. Excuse me.
Y'all are looking full. He made it like.
No. I,
And you get some good boost. I paid separate. No, it too. I have a lot of my brain.
You hope they need to be like down
interesting.
one. See, it's coming back to this trend line.
Yeah, and that's.
Like wick and stop out. And I thought it was supposed to be 80 exactly, but it's 86.
So,
Oh yeah, I'm about to get knocked out of that. Look at this. Go to went to the midline of the orb. That's my 5 minute orb. Went to the midline of my 5 minute orb. So if I really was looking, I would have been looking for longs. I mean shorts still. Because I feel like if right here it should come and break this
That was
there.
very.
what was that?
That's what I feel like it should. Well, it's kind of how it does to go up to. This is another pattern it does. It'll do this and then it'll break this low here, liquidity sweep, then go up. And it is a price gap right here. So
Yeah, that,
the market is definitely gonna clean that up at some point, but I don't know why it wants to clean it up now.
yeah.
That looks like a bearish level full. Because the body is so big. When when the right price made, and it just broke the strong. You may want to come up and
It's
retest the strong.
I don't.
It's tough, especially with
I should have paid more attention to this, but because it came up to this prominent or these ones right here is makeup. Right. Well, it's too much. They're on the chart. So it came to that midline of the family orb and gave another 176. That's good. Watch this later. Cause I think I'm just gonna stick to watching it later on in the day. It's more annoying now. I mean, I am going right by the wherever you call this thing, but I feel like it's gonna come down to the end of this now. That's the whole point. Is get rid of there it is. I feel like it's here now, so it wants to like clear that. Oh, I'm on MAQ. And I thought I was on MQ. Okay, 12, what I'm doing. This on price. Didn't look at this 15-second chart because and then I would have been like, oh wait till it come back up here and retest. And then like even retest the bottom of this orb, it's definitely wake me out. I mean it's at this, so I mean midline of course. Coming back or I think it's going back to retest that. Why is it not moving house? I mean, it's a midline, but however, I feel like he wants to come and this out right here. Put it with that in at least. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, sir. Come on. Don't turn around and shit. Uh, come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. 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 Okay. All right. And then I'm not gonna come to this because they want to knock this without me. Come on, knock that out. Knock that out. Let's get down the different charts of like that one is 1 hour chart. That has really helped me a lot. The 1 hour, the 1 minute, and the 15-second chart. Those are my favorite charts. Definitely my favorite charts. Price me once you come back up to there to if we could go all the way up down, we tested, it's coming down far to here. Well, I don't want espresso. You got to drink espresso. I'm like, oh, go ahead, through there. Not that. Go ahead. Like you just only want to touch it. Or the channel directly to us to you really touched it exactly and we're tracing that you don't want to come. What about to here? You want to come there? Not up. Just support it down here. No. With this thing, level perfectly. Just wicked it. The other one, the wick through the 8 o'clock candle, wait through it, came down. It came down so far 500 ticks. It's still so good. What? 1 hour chart is so good. It could be. It's going there. That really helps you to manage your trade stuff. Okay, 10 minutes for this 1 hour candle. So I wonder if I'm be able to close this out. Is it gonna just wick through it? I think 10 minutes to done. Go down further. Going. Turn that out. No, that's the part. Basically, well, we'll see what the thing will be considered for if they go and have within the 9 minutes to leave a week. But this work is gone. I'm really not the lines. Private university. Well, we're coming back to resist this. Because we haven't tested it yet. Break. It was a break, but it didn't come back. So this was a break, but it has not come back. And retested it to continue up. So if it wants to continue up, just come back. This is look at this support. It's also having support. The price should reject from there. That was a perfect. To show you for us because I know that already. They did that. She's gonna break and read. Yes, I love this track. But I'm really trying to figure out how to get my chart set up. I had like the column that wasn't good because I couldn't really see everything that was going on the 1 minute. Oh, look at that. That's things. perfectly tracing. Math. You are doing great. Today, let me get my body right. What the- I mean, I need to lose like some of this stuff. Look at this small. This is only when I need my funding account when stuff is going like this because it's like I could trade this all day. Like I could sit in this all day long. Got back in right here. Once it broke this support and retested it, I would have got back in the trade and watched it. Okay, it broke here. That's another 200. That's 400. This price, this is what I love you. No, I'm a bear girl. I love this. 800. Oh my God. That was like, what did another one was sick? That was going. I probably would have been more on me. On 400 though. I'm sure I would have been another set. $400. Look at that. One time this little rejection was here, this permanent OB, that I use permanent OB. Because they fit perfectly in the permanent OB. If you had a 15-minute orb, I mean not OB, orb, permanent orb. Because if you would have had a 15-minute orb, it would have been this